Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have recently purchased a Panasonic product like an AC, TV, washing machine or other appliance, registering your warranty online is an important step. So in today's video, I will show you the updated 2026 method to quickly register your Panasonic product online. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Here in the search bar, you need to simply search for this URL, which is store.in.panasonic.com/AC warranty registration. Now for your AC, you will be landed here on this particular page. So over here, you need to do nothing but to just simply start filling out this form. It requires you to provide the brand selection. Then you just have to select the product category. After that, you just have to select your appliance. Then you just have to provide the indoor model number. Then provide your indoor unit serial number. After that, you just have to scroll down a bit and provide some of the invoice details. It includes providing the dealer's name, invoice number, and invoice date. Afterwards, you just have to also upload a photo of your invoice. Then agree to the terms and conditions and click on the option of submit. So after submitting, Panasonic will confirm your warranty registration and your product will appear in your account for future service requests. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.